Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to transcribe a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so what is that? If you have a video where someone's speaking, let's say a speech, and you want to get a text document or you want text of what he is saying, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're at the home of Premiere Pro at the moment. So let's make a new project. And it's taken us to the import screen. Okay, so let's just call that transcribe. Now find wherever the video is. Mine is in movies. You'd have to excuse my face in this one. I've literally just recorded that. So my video is selected now, and the important thing is to move over to this right hand side where we have import settings. Okay, turn automatic transcription on. You can make some choices now. So of course the language, you can also get it to detect the language if you're not really sure what it is. Speaker labeling is how many people are talking in the video. Okay, so you have separate or not separate. It's just me in this video, so let's press no. And then you can also choose only the one in the sequence or transcribe all in imported clips. I'm just going to leave it as that at the moment. And let's press create. Ooh. Press OK on that. And now the video is in Premiere Pro. Okay. So let's select this video. Select your video, head into window, make sure text is on. If it isn't, it won't pop up in here. Press text. Go onto your transcript. Let's just make sure that video is selected. The man went to the shop and bought a can of Coke. And that's our transcript done. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.